Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This one is the Lichten double electric breast pump. You guys, this is a great option. There are two different modes, both pumping and massage, so that's always just a really cool thing to go into massage mode before you start pumping. You're gonna get better results, and it's a really nice thing to have for sore breasts. So you guys, really good. They've got 10 different levels, 2 different suction modes. There is a really great seal on this, so you're gonna be able to pump more milk in less amount of time. That gets you back to doing the things that you want to be doing, spending more time with your newborn, focusing on yourself, doing all of those things, less time pumping, more time living. This has a really long battery life, and it also is rechargeable with a USB cord, so really great for on the go. Again, this is portable and lightweight, so if you are traveling, if you're using this at work, if you're using this on the go, this is a great option. The LCD screen shows you all of the stats, everything, all the modes. It's really easy to use, self-explanatory. One less thing that you have to think about. It's not complicated, really easy, one touch. It's also going to be highly backlit. It's easy to read and easy to see, even from far away and even in the middle of the night. So that way, if you are pumping in the middle of the night, you don't have to disturb anyone else in the house. It's also really, really quiet. So this is just a great machine. It's at a great price. It's got a ton of great reviews. This is a great option for yourself or a great option for a new mother if you know one. Go ahead and buy this as a gift or put this in your cart, put this on your registry. You're gonna be really, really happy you did.